Salesforce Administrator roles and responsibilities. Do you want a job that is unlike any other traditional job? Well, Salesforce can fulfill your wish. Salesforce is one of the most widely used CRM tools in the market. In addition, Salesforce technology has grown tremendously in recent years, which in turn is creating new jobs. A study from IDC finds that the Salesforce ecosystem will create 9.3 million jobs by 2026. One such job is a Salesforce Administrator. Administrators are the lifeblood of your Salesforce instance, and they can have a significant impact on optimizing business processes, increasing user adoption, defining the product roadmap, and managing your system's day-to-day operations. In this video from saasguru, we'll take a look at a list of real-time Salesforce Administrator tasks. Salesforce Administrators collaborate with different stakeholders to effectively customize the platform and system requirements. They connect business with technology. A Salesforce Administrator's responsibility consists of a wide range of duties as follows. Data management responsibilities. Checks for the restrictions on user accounts for vital data accessibility. And also unlocks user accounts and resets passwords. Remains responsible for creating data records and maintaining reports in Salesforce.com. Technological and executive role. Handles all technological resources associated with sales and available tools in Salesforce effectively. Deals with all the executive functions, such as maintenance of user accounts, dashboards, and additional conventional tasks such as two-factor verification and certificate problem. General management duties. Serves as a bridge connecting users, business people, and application developers. In addition, they also help users develop reports that provide meaningful metrics. Works as the primary system administrator and organizes the assessment and extension of new requests for development. Responsible for handling the work environment at Salesforce.com with multiple users by taking care of redundancy and duplicity of user accounts. As a result, a Salesforce admin is responsible for various tasks. Still, in a nutshell, it is all about maintaining the platform, making it easy for users to use Salesforce, and staying up to date on new tools and requirements. You can achieve all of these tasks with the right skills and training. You can start your journey with saasguru anytime, explore our Salesforce certification courses, and sign up for free.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Also, follow us on social media for all the latest updates.